Hello people of YouTube, it is Sid the Kid here and you're having a live look at my bedroom right now. It's a mess. But today's video, I'm getting my wisdom teeth pulled. I haven't really been able to eat in 6 days now. Ratchet today, but this is gonna be a fun adventure, so let's hit the road. Let's go.
Your pocket's sticking out.
My pocket. Oh, my pocket.
Where's your phone?
Okay, getting ready to go get my mouth fixed and my TMJ fixed, so.
Okay. Text her and let her know we're on our way home now. Please. To Devil's Gate, but I wanted to tell somebody we're on our way home, and that way, if you don't hear from me, like,
which way are you coming?
I'm gonna come the front way because I have cell service,
Okay.
and so I'll
Alright.
call you when I get home with sitters. Cindy
I'm,
says she loves you, but shut nut. Don't hate me, Cindy. Nothing should taste good till you rinse out your mouth. Look at the flooding. I know I've asked you this a million times, but maybe you should ban this one.
I tried to eat, but the rain